the people that have the most influence on production in that shop are not only doers, but they're seeking more knowledge, and they can gain a lot of it through here and become a dreamer. But nowhere can you get so much information as you can right here at the IMTS show. Try to give my customers the benefit of that knowledge. People represent different products from around the world, but it's pretty massive. And just walking down most any aisle, you can see something that will make you turn your head. Oh, it's anything but a trade show. The ideas that are here at this show represent so many different fields, from safety to aerospace. A trade show? Nah, I've never thought of it. Yeah, there are a lot of products that are sold here, but I look at it for the ideas. My customers have occasionally manufacturing problems. The information that I gain from this show, and I look at it as an opportunity to solve their problems. And for me, it might sound funny, but when I can solve a customer's problems, that's like a paycheck. Every 2 years, you got cutting-edge technology that's coming into play that you can see and put to work. I don't think there's any place in the world that has as many great minds as the show here. It really is the greatest show on earth. IMTS, don't dream it, do it.
Hanging with the best and brightest delivers. Manufacturing is a buzz where dreamers and doers connect.